is the testing phase, essential before putting a website online. Have you ever organized an important event without doing a dress rehearsal? No one would do that, right? Think about it. The catering is ready, the guests are invited, the venue is perfect. But then you find out that the audio isn't working, the lights are poorly positioned, and the path to the room is confusing. Putting a website online without testing it is kind of the same thing. The debut is public, but everything that could go wrong happens at the wrong moment. Is testing essential? Imagine you've invested months in developing a website. You've chosen the perfect design, written polished content, and integrated advanced features. But if it doesn't work as it should, all that work is lost in an instant. The testing phase is meant to ensure that every detail is in its place, that everything is intuitive, and that there are no technical issues. Have you ever heard stories of users who can't complete form, links that lead nowhere? Even worse, a commerce site where the add to cart button doesn't work. Think about it. Several clients have come to us with similar problems after launching a site without properly testing it. Now, imagine it happening to you. The first impression is everything. If a user finds errors on their very first visit, will they really consider coming back a second time? What are the essential tests before putting a site online? Testing isn't just a quick check of the pages. It is a structured process that must cover every part of the site. Here are main tests we recommend to avoid embarrassing situations or losing customers. 1. Functionality. Every link, button, and form must work perfectly. Think of a customer who wants to contact you and finds out that the form doesn't send anything. There you go. That customer leaves, maybe never to return. Check every interactive detail. Make sure everything is functional and intuitive. 2. Compatibility. Users browse from different devices. How does the site look on a smartphone? Is it readable on a tablet? It works on all major browsers. We've seen customers come back frustrated after their site was perfect on desktop, but completely unusable on mobile. In today's world, that's unacceptable. 3. Performance. No one wants to wait while a page loads slowly. Performance testing is crucial for speed. If the site takes too long to load, users abandon it. And let's not forget that Google also evaluates speed. So you're potentially risking, possibly harming your site's ranking. For security, if the site handles sensitive data such as personal information or transactions, security is essential. Would you feel safe entering your personal data on a site that doesn't guarantee top security? Your customers trust you, but only as long as their data is safe. Security testing not only protects customers, but also your reputation. Even with testing, you're never completely safe from errors. Something can always slip through, and often you only notice details when the site is finally online, visible to everyone from the moment it goes public. Everyone looks at it with fresh eyes and a different level of attention. Everything that went unnoticed during testing suddenly becomes obvious. It's a reality that anyone who has published a website has had to face sooner or later. The testing phase, however, is meant to mitigate these risks as much as possible. Drastically reduces the likelihood of errors, allows you to present yourself professionally, and ensures that your visitors have a good experience from their very first access. Practical tips for effective testing. 1. Create a comprehensive checklist. Every link, page, and functionality needs to be tested. A checklist minimizes the risk of forgetting something and gives you the confidence of having everything under control. 2. Involve outside eyes. Often, those who work on the project are too used to seeing it and may not notice errors. Ask someone who hasn't been involved in the development to navigate the site. They will discover details and issues that you might have missed. 3. Test the site on various devices. It's not enough to just check it from a computer. Tablets, smartphones, screens of different sizes. Every device matters, and every user should find the site functional. 4. Don't stop testing. Even after going live, keep monitoring the site. Browsers and operating system continue to update, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Maintenance and periodic testing are the key to a site that remains reliable. A well-tested site is the foundation for providing a smooth and professional browsing experience and reflecting the value of your brand. Why compromise your image with a site that hasn't been properly tested? If you found this article helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channels. Keep following us for more content that will help you improve your online business. Thank you for making it this far, and happy testing.